Are you looking for ISO 22000 certification for your food industry? If this is so, I'm sure you must have Googled ISO 22000 certification and you must have found out that this certification you can get easily on Google for rupees 2000 rupees. But this is not going to solve your problem, and this is not going to improve the hygiene in your food industry. For this, you need real implementation. This certificate you can display on the wall and be happy about it. But if you want real implementation in your food industry, then you need to learn the prerequisite required for ISO 22000 implementation. We, Eurocert, a Greece-based food safety certification body, are organizing on every Saturday, first Saturday of every month, a free webinar on ISO 22000 implementation. To register in this webinar, you just have to click on the link below and fill in your information, and on your mobile and on your email, we are going to send a link for this webinar.